you're struggling with hard water spots, whether that's on your glass, inside your shower, or on a trailer like this is, or your car, or wherever they may be, I'm gonna show you how you can quickly remove them with just one simple product in the JIMBO's Pure Magic Cleaner. And just to prove that these aren't just water spots that you could wash off, I'm actually gonna wash the panel so that you can't say, oh, those will just wash off. So let's wash the panel real quick. Water spots are still there. And there's actually one more thing that the Pure Magic Cleaner can do too that I'll show you, that if you're struggling with like an RV and you have those black drip marks, the Pure Magic Cleaner will actually help with that too. So get it cleaned up. Got my trusty dusty shelf here today. That's great. You have those natural shelves. All right, I'll get this dried up. So not only do we have the hard water spots that you can still see on there that are embedded, but we also have a lot of this black streaking. And this is what I was talking about, that happens a lot on RVs. So a lot of people don't know how to get rid of the black streaks. And so I'm gonna show you how you can do both really quickly. All right, so you're just gonna take your Pure Magic Cleaner. Now the 16-ounce bottles come pre-diluted at 4:1. The gallons come in full concentrate. Depending upon how bad your water spots are, you may need a higher concentration. So if you have a lot of water spots like this whole trailer does, you may want to pick up the gallon, because you may want to adjust your dilution ratio accordingly. The 4:1 may not be strong enough, in other words. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna liberally apply on the panel, and for the black streaks, I might get up there with a quick towel, and I'm probably over applying, shocker. But what you wanna do is you wanna let it dwell for 30 to 60 seconds, but you don't want it to dry on the surface. But let me jump up here real quick as it's dwelling. You can even see with my finger how the black streaks are just gonna go away. So if you have a trailer or an RV that has those, obviously using your finger isn't the best case scenario, but I'll show you too. Let me grab a towel and I'll come right back. So another quick thing, if your water spots are really heavy, it may not be enough for the product just to dwell on the surface. So you could take a towel and spray some product in it. And then before we move on to the next part of the video, I want to talk to you about my newest creation. That's JIMBO's All Dressed Up. This is a multi-purpose dressing. So this will work on tires, it'll work on trim, black plastic trim around your car, it'll work on the interior. And the best part about it is that it has an adjustable shine. So it's fully dilutable depending upon how much shine you want or how much shine you don't want, all wrapped up in a product. It is available for pre-sale right now, so I'll leave a link below. If you would like to pre-order this product, you could be one of the first to try out the newest JIMBO's creation, All Dressed Up. Because the surface is already cleaned, we've already cleaned it, you can kind of just wipe the product into the surface, and that's gonna, in agitating it, it's gonna help. Also, I have videos on how you can use the Pure Magic Cleaner in your foam cannon. I'll try to remember to link that below. I realize I say these things in the video and then I forget to link it, so I'm trying to get better at that. I'll jump up here. We'll get rid of these black streaks and water spots all at the same time. So I think this is a little transfer mark, but maybe we can get rid of that too. That might need a little compound, but decontaminating, getting rid of water spots and all that. And then you could either re-foam it again if you wanted to, or what I'm gonna do just for the sake of this video is just rinse it off. So, and you don't want to let it dry on the surface. That is really the main, keeping the main thing. You do not want it to dry on the surface. This did though. And then there's one cool thing that Bryant brought up that I've talked about in other videos is removing contaminants. So the Pure Magic Cleaner is really great at removing embedded contaminants. And if you look at kind of the silicone right here, how there's still some contaminants in it, but when you look at the after and the before, look at how much different it looks. Way better. So again, that's why I named it a cleaner, though it confuses some people because it's not an all-purpose cleaner. It's actually better than an all-purpose cleaner. I'm gonna dry this up with one of our massive drying towels. Black streaks are gone, the water spots are gone, the contaminants are gone, and it looks back to brand new compared to this other side here. So now that you've cleaned off all the black streaks, the water spots, the contaminants, all that, if you want to help prevent water spots from happening again and being so difficult to remove, you definitely want to pick up the JIMBO's Toughest Shell. This is a ceramic spray coating, and a few sprays of this directly onto the surface will not only protect it, but it will help to prevent against water spotting because it's creating an invisible barrier between the outside elements and the substrate itself. It also adds a ton of gloss, a ton of slickness, doesn't streak, easy to use. You could top it, you can put it on top of any other protection that you may have on your car. You could put it on top of a ceramic coating. It goes on gel coats, clear coats, no coats, and your coats, whatever that is. So there we go. So not only did we get it removed, but we got it protected. Didn't break our back doing it. And this piece of the trailer at least looks brand new. So I will link all the products below, but all the JIMBO's line are products that just work, they're efficient, they're effective, and they deliver on every last detail. Thanks for watching. Hope you'll subscribe. Catch you on the next one. See ya.